Hello guys, I'm SR7FC, and I will showing you 10,000 extra time. Pack opening video.
Let's go.
I have Locatelli 109 OVR player, and I got 10,000 extra time from him. Now it's time to open the pack. I think this is worst pack opening. Only 2 player is good to pick up. And I choose Marcos.
A few moments later.
I opened the pack again in the second week. First week I got Marcos. Let's try and see how many good players we can get. Let's open the pack. Oh my god, I got Drogba. Finally, I got a good player in this week.
The next day.
And this is third week. I once again open the 10,000 extra time pack. I have Cahill, and I'm exchange him for extra time token. Come on, we'll get another Drogba this week.
Stop it.
Oh no, I lost my good player for this. Anyway, Rapinha is not bad for LW. Now I'm choose Rapinha.
2,000 years later.
This is fourth week and I'm open once again. 10,000 extra time pack.
Let's go. Oh my God! Wow!
EA Sports.
I choose Gerard for my CM position. Subscribe my channel and see you in the next video.